in school doing her training and everything, man. She be up there at the academy. Once she take them glasses off. Once she take them glasses off, boy, she finna get her workout on.
I wasn't
she listening at everybody knows Kung Fu fighting. Oh yeah.
No, we got patrol out.
Let me see.
Look, first of all.
Rudy Ramon though, a wide receiver. Therese.
Okay, how many people you got in there right now?
440.
40.
440.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hey, y'all need to be calling y'all's people, get more views.
Yeah, they trying to donate money now.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, they trying to donate money. They said you do workouts, you do squats. She do all workouts most likely.
She does squats when she looks at the bottom of the fridge.
Yeah.
Those are the only squats I do.
At the bottom of the refrigerator.
Bottom of it, you got it. Alright. I ain't got nothing there
That was
either.
my squat for
I
today.
don't have nothing down there either.
Yeah, I do be reading the track. Let me see. Somebody, boy, y'all is funny. Somebody said, "Is that me wrapped around her finger?" I got $1 a push-up for lookout. I could do about 40. Nah, $1 a push-up. I probably hit 30 at one time. She probably. Nah, I don't think she could do more than me. But shit, I wonder if she could do more than me since she actually work out. Yeah. Okay, my boy just sent my drink.
Quesadillas.
Let me see. Look out. Oh yeah. Ask her what, Chorizo? You can't keep I go down like Funky Town. Tell her what? Ask her if she like chorizo or Italian sausage. Chorizo or Italian sausage. What's her name? She don't tell nobody her name. She don't want no more followers, she said. Why am I gonna race tonight? Nah, I ain't racing tonight. I mean, security lady, your drink is on me tonight. Your drink is on me. They done already paid for it. Your whole meal.
What?
Your whole meal is on me
No, it's
tonight.
okay. Don't worry about it.
They done already paid.
I believe it.
They done already paid.
They paid?
Yeah, it's already paid for your meal.
What?
They be looking out.
They looking out. They looking out for you. For real. They said get you a drink.
Mike sent them on.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the rest of the. Whoever bought the drink, I'm gonna get the rest. Who else is that in there? Who sent that? Power Stroke Syndicate. Power Stroke Syndicate. We got Power Stroke Syndicate over here looking out one time for the one time. Yeah, we got Power Stroke. Throw the accounts. Okay. Who's your best wide receiver? Okay, yeah, Power Stroke. She about to be next. Lemonade getting low over there. I might need to refill myself. I seen them bots come in for a couple seconds. Had me almost at 500. Yeah. Welcome back, y'all. Old Samsung died. Samsung died. I don't know. Hopefully that wasn't that long of a buffer. Let me see what it's looking like. Okay. Who got the best wide receiver? Is it back showing? We gotta make sure it's back showing, y'all. Boom.
The best time to do it. Can I get
You get ready? Is it ready? Okay, Jeff. Jeff said we good, y'all. Yeah, look, yeah.
You really feel like you've been working hard today?
Yeah, I've been really working hard today. Let me see what she be getting. 3 chicken quesadillas, 2 everything quesadillas. The one with the chicken beef. Yeah. 2 of them.
And then one of the
Yeah.
What is up? Shit, nah, not no damn.
It still ain't working. Let me see. I thought it. Look out! Look out! It should be ready now, y'all. I don't know what to do. It should be ready. Okay. All right, security. Oh, okay, we back now. Dang, my Android had went dead. Hey, y'all having a good day today?
Yeah.
That's good. That is so good. Me too. Me too. Let me see. Well, y'all make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. I appreciate all y'all coming in today. We done had a good night stream. I'm gonna have some more videos coming up this week. Make sure y'all tell some people, you know, try to help grow the channel up a little bit. If it's certain parts of the video that you like, make sure y'all come in and yeah, you can put a timestamp and let me know where it was a good part. We can make it a YouTube short. But anyway, I appreciate y'all coming in, liking and everything. So look out, y'all have a good one.